Good morning. Here we are at garage number 10. New brakes, new bearings, new discs, and a new country coming up, Turkey. Well, not new, but going back. Well, thank you, Alexi. Thank you so much.
David.
And I hope that you're the last mechanics I see. But you are the 10th mechanics.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Great job. Cheers.
Bye, my friend.
So here is our Airbnb we have got whilst we wait for the truck to be fixed, and here's all the stuff that Joy just smashed over the floor. How are you feeling about that? Good afternoon from Batumi. We are on our way to have our last traditional meal of the trip. Joy has got her hair cut especially, and after lunch a little bit of sightseeing, and then a nice fancy meal on the tower block, because there's a lot of them here. So our last traditional dishes, we have Kaketian salads, Burano, and cat. And Yachni, which is beef stew with walnuts. Lunch done, let's be tourists. Alphabet Tower. In case you're wondering what sort of place our Airbnb is like, we are in this one immense building. It's not all ours. We do have this rather fancy arch. Bit of sunset touristing before dinner, the octopus thing, these skyscrapers. Well, we finished up our evening at Umami at the Clouds, and behind us is the Batumi University building, which has been described as having deeply questionable artistic merit. I like it. This, by the way, was going to be a Ferris wheel. Never worked. Oh god. It's raining a bit. It's raining a bit.